Hey, I'm back. I had some issues with the last one. It wouldn't restart. It just kept on freezing the camera and only recording voice audio and no video. So some time's passed and I have created my funny little filter. I kept breaking rubber bands, so I got creative to hold the filter in place. And now the solution has gone through and it is a clear substance because a lot of the extra stuff that we didn't need is up in here. And now I can move on to adding the iodine. So I'm going to remove this. I just wanted you to be able to see the filter that I created. And I'm going to put that to the side for now. And then I'm going to add all of the iodine to solution A. Let me put that over there so it doesn't stain anything. And the coffee filter is safe. And I am going to add my iodine into the solution. And it's, I didn't even have to stir it. That was amazing. Wow, that's not what it looked like in the video. That was so cool. Wow. Okay, let me use a clean spoon. Not the one with all the sugar. Not sugar. It looks like sugar. The vitamin C. And I'm just going to stir it just to be safe because it said to swirl it. So until it's clear again, but it is clear again. Scrape that off the sides a little bit. Okay, that's probably good. Oh, it doesn't smell very great though. It still smells like iodine. But that's really neat what just happened. The iodine is a very dark substance, which you could see as it was being poured out, and as you probably know from life experience. But when it reacts with the vitamin C that's in the water, it has a chemical reaction together, and it converts the iodine into iodide, which is a colorless solution, or a colorless version. And then I will add more distilled water, which I already have measured out over here. It's about 400 milliliters of distilled water. And I'm pouring it into this one? Yes, into this one. It's a little messy, but I have to make do with what I have at home. That's very full. That's very full. Okay. And there you go. That's solution A, which now doesn't have a sticker on it. So let me pause and put a sticker on it. So now solution A has a sticker, and I'm going to add about 0.4 grams, which he said I could eye it, just sort of follow what he did. And so I'm going to use about this much and add this to solution B of the cornstarch. Go ahead and add that. And this is about 350 milliliters of distilled water. I'm going to stir this as much as possible, or just dissolve it as much as possible. And it's going to be very cloudy, and that's what he said. And then the experiment called for me to microwave the solution until it's boiling, and then filter it out through several coffee filters. So I'm going to go ahead and do that and pause my video. Hello.